theorem. अल्लाह भाई चालते तर दिसते ना. हाँ. theorem. Let V be a real vector space. Let V be a real vector space. Let T from T let T suffix P suffix 0 from V to V be defined as theorem. Let V be a real vector space. Let T V0 from V to V denote translation by V0 denotes translation by V0. Then T V0 is a bijective function. Then T suffix V0 is a bijective function. T function. And T inverse V0 from V to V is given by number 1 T inverse V0 is equal to T minus V0. T suffix minus V0 to T V0 is an isometry. T V0 is an isometry. Isometry 3. Let U0 V0 belong to V. 3. Let U0 V0 belong to V. Then T of U0 plus v0 is equal to t of e0 of t of e0. Now Sear theorem, let V be a real vector space and let t suffix v0 from v to v be denote translation by v0. Then a t v0 is a bijective function and t inverse and t v0 inverse t suffix v0 inverse from v to v is given by t v0 inverse is equal to t suffix minus v0. Second, t v0 is an isometry. Third, let u0 v0 belong to u. Then t u0 plus v0 is equal to t of u0 of t of v0. We have to prove this through statement. Proof. Now see here. See here. Let V be a real vector space. Let V be a real vector space. Let V be a real vector space. T suffix v0 from v to v be defined as t of v0 v is equal to v plus v0. Then t v0 is a bijective function. We prove that t suffix v0 is a bijective function. That is t suffix v0 is 1 1 and onto function. Now let us prove that t suffix v0 is a 1 1 map. T suffix v0 from v to v. T suffix v0 to v is equal to v plus v0. Now in order to prove that t is equal to 1 1, we prove that if t suffix v0 x is equal to t suffix v0 y, then x is equal to y. Let t suffix v0 x is equal to t suffix v0 y is equal to x plus v0. Therefore x plus v0 is equal to y plus v0. Adding minus v0 to both sides. Adding minus v0 to both sides. X plus v0 minus v0 is equal to y plus v0 minus v0. Therefore x is equal to y. Therefore t suffix v0 x is equal to t suffix v0 y. Therefore x is equal to y. Therefore t is t suffix v0. Therefore t suffix v0 is a 1 1 function. That is injective function. Now we prove that t suffix v0 is onto function. Now we prove that t suffix v0 is an onto function. T suffix v0 is an onto function. T suffix v0 is an onto function. Let v belong to v0. V belong to v. Be any arbitrary element. Be any arbitrary element. Then t suffix v0 to v minus v0 is equal to v minus v0 plus v0 is equal to v. Now see here, suppose v belong to v be any arbitrary vector. Now we want to prove that there exists some element in v so that t v0 image of that element is equal to v, and that element is equal to v minus v0. See here, v belong to v, v0 belong to v, minus v0 belong to v because v is a vector space, and therefore v minus v0 belong to v. Therefore for any element v belong to v, there is a element some element in v so that t v0 image of that element is equal to v. Therefore t is an onto function. Therefore t is an onto function. An onto function. Therefore we proved here first part that t v0 is a bijective function. That t v0 is a bijective function. Therefore t suffix v0 is a bijective function. Now t inverse, we prove that t inverse v0. Now we prove that that t inverse v suffix v0 is equal to t minus v0. Now see here. T of minus v0. Claim t of minus v0 of t of v0 is equal to identity function. This is our claim. T suffix minus v0 of t of v0 is equal to t suffix v0 of t of minus v0 is equal to identity function. Proof of the claim. Let v belong to v be any arbitrary, v belong to v be any arbitrary. Therefore t minus v0 of t of v0 phi is equal to t of my t suffix minus v0, t of v0 is equal to v plus v0, v plus v0, t of t suffix v0 is equal to v of v0. Therefore t suffix minus v0, v plus v0 is equal to v plus v0 plus minus v0 is equal to v. There, this is true for all v belong to v. This is true. This is true for all v belong to v. Therefore, similarly, therefore t of minus v0 of t of v0 is equal to t of v0 of t of minus v0 is equal to identity, and therefore t of v0 inverse is equal to t of minus v0. Now we prove that t of v0 is an isometry. We prove that t of v0 is an isometry. Now t suffix v0 x. Now norm of t suffix v0 x minus t suffix v0 y is equal to norm of x plus v0 minus y plus v0 is equal to norm of x minus y for all x, y belong to p. Therefore, t suffix v0 is an isometry. For all v0 belong to v. Now let us prove the third part. T of u0 plus v0, t of u0 plus v0 is equal to t of u0 of t of v0. T suffix u0 plus v0, t suffix u0 of t of v0. Now let x belong to v be any arbitrary, Therefore t of u0 plus v0 x is equal to x plus u0 plus v0, t of u0 plus v0 x, x plus u0 plus v0. T of u0 plus v0 x is equal to x plus u0 plus v0 is equal to x plus u0 plus v0. Now t of u0 of v0 x is equal to t of u0 of t of v0 x is equal to x plus v0 is equal to x plus v0 plus u0. Therefore, t of u0 plus v0 x is equal to t of u0 of v0 x. Therefore, for all x belong to x, and therefore this completes the proof of the theorem. This completes the proof of the theorem. The proof of the theorem. Of the theorem. Now see here we proved that t suffix u0 plus v0 is equal to t suffix u0 plus v0 x, x plus u0 plus v0. Now t suffix u0 of t of v0 of t of v0 x, t of u0 a t suffix v0 x is equal to x plus v0 is equal to x plus v0 plus u0. Therefore t suffix u0 plus v0 x is equal to t suffix u0 of t suffix v0 x for all x belong to x.